Hey, it's Wednesday. Welcome to Eva Trades. This is my trade review for June 7th on Wednesday.
Eva Trades.
And I'm up $60.71 today. I didn't quite get to my daily goal. I was red a couple of times on the day. You can see my lower wick here. I was actually down close to my max loss before making a comeback, much like yesterday. Only today I stopped at my highs instead of continuing to trade. It's been a little tricky for me, especially today with the loss of the family dog yesterday. It's been a bit of an emotional roller coaster at the Eva Trade studio here, and so I just wanted to take it easy. Anytime you have an emotional situation in life, it's best to take it easy in your trading. I've found, and to get through whatever it is you're going through, because we all go through things and it happens, and you just have to be aware that you could lose a lot of money if you're going through something uh, that's a bit, shakes you up a bit. Anyways, enough of that. So let's go to look at the trades here. We had quite a few stocks on the scanners this morning, and I was looking at four of them this morning. I ended up trading five. One, two, three, four. Yeah, five stocks. So I'll get right to it here. AFRM. I bought this on this dip as a dip trade back here to this level, in a little bit high, and but I got in early, thinking that we were going to maybe reverse and see a higher low here and a higher high. We didn't. We came down. It stopped me out. I ended up buying back in here at this support, and then I sold it. What did I do here? I think I bought it here. I think I held it. I added here, sold it there. Yeah, that's right. And I was actually green on the stock, but then I traded, and then I bought it here and sold it up here for the break through the high. So I was doing pretty good. But then I tried to trade for continuation up to 18.99. So I got in it here and I top ticked it twice, and then it comes back down, stops me out. So that's $100 loss. And then I got in here on the pullback to the volume weighted average price, and it kept coming down, and there's another $100 loss. So that put me down 106 on the stock, and I didn't trade it again after that. It did make a nice recovery here. That's pretty awesome. CJET is another one here that was second leading gapper in the market this morning, and I bought the breakout on it. And my stop loss was a little too tight in here, so I was taking some hits, and then did have some winners, but I also had some losers here. Traded it quite a few times on that 1 minute candle. I bought the pullback here. This was red coming down. Bought it here on the volume weighted average price, but it came down even further. It stopped me out because my stop loss was too tight, and then it went back up. I widened my stop out a little bit on it, but and got back in it, but right here is where I sold it and only made a little bit back, and then I didn't end up trading that one again. Farm here was our leading gapper in the market, and this was green going up, so I bought it for the break and sold it up here and made a little bit of money on it. And then I bought it down here off of, what level was I even looking at? I guess I was probably just looking at us coming down towards this level and just getting in early. I did that a couple times today. And then I ended up selling. So, I was green on the stock. Initially, first off, I was green on it. Then I did go red on it. I remember that. But anyways, this was my big winner on the day. I bought it down here as we consolidated down in this support area again. I added to it on the break here. I added to it above the volume weighted average price. I wanted to add to it up here, but I was worried about it flushing back down, so I didn't. And then as it broke through the previous high of day, that's where I sold it all. And that put me up pretty good on the day. And that was, let me see. Then we had another attempt at a breakout here, but you can see it failed. I didn't end up buying it off of the support down here. I didn't really trust it. And so then my fourth stock that I was trading today was GME, and just basically a breakout trade here. I bought it here and sold up there. I was up $100 on the stock, and then I Bought the next candle that pulled back, but it came down here, stopped me out. I lost 50 bucks and only finished up $40 on GME and didn't trade that again. PLTR, my biggest disappointment of the day and my last trade of the day. The first one I took on it was right here. It was an inside bar. This actually came up on the scanner. I wasn't watching it pre-market. And so I bought the inside bar, sold it on the break, and then we had this high, low, lower high, higher low, classic equilibrium. It's a beautiful equilibrium. And we started to break out here. And this was after this. As soon as I got green, I made this large amount of money on farm. I was up 60 bucks. Yeah, I was up 60 bucks. And I was like, man, I'm at my high of day right now. I've traded myself into the red twice today, and I'm just not sure I want to keep trading. I'm feeling emotional from things that have gone on in my personal life, and I'm very tired from not sleeping because of that. And so I just wasn't confident enough to hold the trade, unfortunately. Got right back out of it, and look at the beautiful move it made. I mean, I'm just kicking myself for not staying in that trade and sticking with it. I just knew that if I took a loss on it, I would be only up like $10 on the day, and I just didn't want that to be the case. So, it's a green day. I'm not complaining. I love it that it's a green day. It's my 10th one in a row, and it's not my daily goal, but it's still green. So I have more money now than what I did when I started this morning. So that's what you want. And that is my trade review for June 7th. I hope that your trading day was successful, or I hope that it will be if you're still in the process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here first thing tomorrow morning. Bye-bye.